Courage grows when you take one small step outside your comfort zone. What if the courage you're searching for isn't something you find, but something you build? Courage isn't something you're born with, it's something you build, and often it starts with a single decision, taking one small step outside your comfort zone. Sometimes we think courage looks like grand gestures, standing fearlessly in the face of overwhelming challenges or making life changing decisions without hesitation. But real courage is often much quieter than that. It lives in the small moments, the moments that no one else sees, the moments when your heart is racing, your mind is filled with doubt, and yet you decide to move forward anyway. The moment when you keep choosing to keep going, even when fear is present. It's taking that first step when you don't know what the outcome will be. Growth rarely happens where everything feels comfortable and familiar. Our comfort zones are safe, but they can also become places where our dreams remain untouched and our potential stays hidden. When you step beyond those boundaries, even just a little, you begin to discover parts of yourself you never knew existed. You learn that you're stronger than your doubts, more capable than your fears, and more resilient than you ever imagined. Over time, those small steps begin to change you. What once felt impossible starts to feel manageable. What once terrified you becomes something you can face with confidence. The challenges don't necessarily become smaller, you become stronger. Every time you choose courage over comfort, you build trust in yourself. You prove to yourself that no matter what happens, you can handle more than you think. So if you're standing at the edge of something new, wondering whether you're ready, remember this. You don't have to leap. You don't have to have everything figured out. You only need the courage to take one small step outside your comfort zone. Because that one step could lead to another and another until one day you look back and realize that the life you're living, the person you've become, and the strength you've gained all began with a single moment of bravery, with a single choice, and a single step.